We're about to see Gavin in a few minutes. Pikachu. Look at Gavin. Gabby. He's so cute. Waited like 2.5 hours. 2.5, maybe 3 hours to get this close. He's so close, so close. Oh my god, so close. Gavin, can I have a hug?
A hug, yes.
Please. Oh my god. Can you say something to the camera as well? I kind of, okay. That's enough.
Is it a good time to say now I'm soft off?
See, I don't know if this is recording. Yeah, Gavin's going to say something to the camera. I need a bit. Yes. Do you want to say something to the camera, please?
What's that?
Can you say something to the camera?
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Hey, camera, hey.
Where's Michael? Why didn't he come?
He's too busy like rage quitting in America.
Yeah.
He's a busy guy. He's got angry. He's angry at loads of things. I love him though with all my heart.
Yeah, we can see it. Do you? Thank you. Where's Jeff? I need Jeff as well. Hi Jeff. Can you say something to camera?
Hello, camera.
It's Ash. My name's Ash though.
What's that?
Ash. My name's Ash. Thank
Hey,
you.
this is Private Dash here for the Popular Web Series, Members Blue. Hello, Ash. I love you.
Yay! Can I get your order?
Yeah.